Join us as we take a deep dive into the top 5 ring light with tripod stands. We are going to cover everything you need to know. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking to up your selfie game or improve your online content creation? Check out the Orde 14-foot selfie ring light with 62 tripod stand and phone holder. This versatile ring light kit is a game changer for FaceTimers, TikTokers, vloggers, and makeup artists alike. With its user-friendly touch control offering 5 color options and 10 brightness levels, you can customize your lighting to suit any situation. The ultra-sturdy tripod stand ensures stability and durability, while being easily adjustable in height from 16 to 62 inches. Whether you're recording videos, live streaming, or working on your crafting projects, this ring light set has got you covered with its professional-grade lighting capabilities. Jamie from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Good quality at a reasonable price." Elevate your content creation with the GloPro 18-inch LED ring light. This versatile ring light features a special LED SMD design that provides a wide range of color temperatures from 2900K to 6500K without the need for color filters. With adjustable brightness from 10% to 100%, this ring light is perfect for portraits, vlogs, live streams, and selfies. The sturdy aluminum alloy tripod stand offers stability and adjustable height from 22.8 inches to 69.7 inches, ensuring your setup stays secure during use. The included wireless selfie Bluetooth controller allows you to capture photos without touching your phone screen, making it incredibly user-friendly. Control the ring light with ease using the IR remote controller from up to 2.5 meters away. With 3 hot shoe ports and 2 USB charging ports, you can easily mount multiple phones or cameras simultaneously while keeping your devices charged. Take your content creation to the next level with the GloPro 18-inch LED ring light. Looking for the perfect lighting for your TikTok videos or makeup tutorials? Look no further than the Jiaezer ring light. This outstanding 10.2 ring light features powerful LED lights that provide professional quality lighting with soft, nearly shadowless illumination. With 3000 lumens per meter and a high RA of 95, this ring light helps eliminate skin imperfections for a flawless look. Perfect for a wide range of users, including makeup artists, content creators, educators, video bloggers, and more. The Jiaezer ring light is versatile and essential for various applications. Its compact size makes it a convenient travel companion, ensuring you have salon-grade lighting wherever you go. Plus, the adjustable light stand allows for easy assembly and minimal effort. Get the perfect lighting for your videos and photos with the Jiaezer ring light. Elevate your content creation with the Sensine 12-foot ring light kit designed for aspiring influencers and bloggers. This versatile set features 3 color temperatures and 10 brightness levels to ensure you always look picture perfect on camera. The included 50 inches tripod offers easy setup and adjustability, while the universal phone/camera compatibility makes it a must-have for any shooting scenario. Powered by USB, this kit is compatible with a range of devices for convenient use anywhere. Additionally, the kit comes with a 360-degree rotatable phone holder, wireless remote control, and a handy carry bag for on-the-go shooting. With Sensine's reliable after-sales service and 12-month warranty, you can trust in the quality and support provided. Get ready to shine brighter with the Sensine 12-foot ring light kit. Nadia from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "It's very easy to assemble and very practical. I used a lot to do my videos." Looking for the perfect overhead ring light for your video recording needs? Look no further than the Evershop Selfie ring light with stand and phone holder. This versatile ring light provides even, natural-looking lighting to enhance your subject's features and give your content a professional look. With flexible adjustment options for angles and lighting positions, you can capture the best shots every time. The reinforced lamp head and stable tripod ensure stability for photography and videos. Choose from 3 lighting modes with 10 brightness levels each, all controllable with a Bluetooth remote. The upgraded metal construction and double spring support make this ring light durable and ideal for various uses such as makeup, live streaming, and video conferences. Illuminate your beauty on social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram with this upgraded Evershoppe ring light. There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.